Are you a gamer or content creator and are looking for the best screen recorder for PC that can record your computer screen in 4K 120 fps? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Simply watch the video full and follow the steps to record computer screen in 4K 120 fps. Hey folks, Maswakil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to screen record on Windows 10 or Windows 11 with audio and face cam in 4K high resolution using the best screen recorder for PC without watermark, which is Wondershare Demo Creator. False, Wondershare Demo Creator 8 is here and it brings many advanced AI video editing features along with making it easier to record screen. This helps to record a screen like a pro and edit with ease using the best AI features. Wondershare Demo Creator, which offers high quality recording experience to record a screen with camera along with game recording, virtual avatar, video presentation and camera only. Also brings all new AI features like AI subtitle that helps us to add dynamic and creative subtitle along with some cool effects to our video in minutes. This is simply amazing. Demo Creator 8 also brings AI video object remover that helps us to remove watermarks or any unwanted objects in our video, and this works so smoothly. Simply insane. We also get AI voice changer that helps to change voice in our video. Like if you are a gamer and creator and want to give voiceover to your video, then you should use Demo Creator AI voice changer, and trust me, it's simply amazing. That's not it. We also get AI vocal remover, AI beauty filter and AI text to speech with Wondershare Demo Creator 8. Not only this, Wondershare Demo Creator offers a dedicated video editor for fast and easy video creation. It also comes with more than 50,000 plus visual effects like annotations, transitions, effects, audio and stickers to make our screen recordings stand out. That's not it. It also comes with enhanced stability to render video faster. Wow, all new AI features are simply insane and you can unlock them by upgrading to Demo Creator 8. So let's give it a try, and to get started with, let's know how to download Wondershare Demo Creator 8 for free. Simply follow the links in the description and pinned comment to visit Wondershare Demo Creator official website and then click on try it for free. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Demo Creator 8 free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Wondershare Demo Creator with all new features and capabilities. We get option to get started with video recorder and video editor. So let's get started to know how to record a screen on Windows 10 using Wondershare Demo Creator 8. Now to record a screen on Windows 10 PC, simply click on video recorder. This opens up a window to select what we want to record. We can record a screen and camera, can record camera. Here we get option to record games on PC, virtual avatar and can record video presentation. Let's select a screen as we are going to record a screen on Windows 10. This opens Demo Creator screen recording window. From here we can select our recording options. Next we get option to select if we want to record full screen, custom selection to select a specific part of screen, capture window, record for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram or standard. Selected full screen. This will select our computer's full screen. Now from here we can select webcam, select microphone if you want to record voiceover, can enable or disable this to record system sound. Do enable this as it helps to record a screen on PC with audio. We can also schedule recording from here. Next we get screen recording settings. Simply click on it to open settings window. Here at top we get option to select if you want to have multiple track for different output like webcam, system sound, mic and screen recording, or if you don't want multiple track, then we can select this first option. I will suggest you to not change it as having multiple track helps in editing screen video. Next we get option to disable 3 seconds countdown before recording, can auto hide controls while recording or enable GPU acceleration for recording. Next in file we get option to select where we want to save screen recording files. In video we can select frame rate that can be up to 120 fps. Select as per your requirement. If you are looking to record games on PC in 120 fps, then you should select 120 fps for better frame rate. Next we can set quality, select it as high, and from here we can select quality for screenshots. After this we have webcam. This gives us option to select webcam, select resolution and frame rate. In last we have shortcuts. We can use these hotkeys for different tasks as mentioned over here. Now once we are done with setting up our screen recorder, simply click save settings. So first now we are ready to screen record on Windows PC, and to get started simply click on this rec button. Next here also we get option to choose if you want multi-track recording and editing or want single track recording and exporting. Selecting first option as that will open video editor after screen recording. That helps us in editing or screen recording to further enhance it. So selecting that, so you should also select first and then click OK. It starts recording. Now whatever we do on our screen will get recorded. Let's browse this web page, and here at top we get screen drawing tools to further explain objects on our screen. Like this highlight option, this helps us to highlight some text or part of screen. Just select it and then choose thickness and color. Now we can highlight any text or object on screen. We can also add text box, draw circle, use this to draw box, select color, and now we can showcase this text in a box. Next we get arrow. This helps us to mark something on screen, like marking towards this download button. After this we get line tool and then erase tool. That helps to erase any drawing that we have done on our screen. Can use this spotlight tool to show something on screen in a spotlight. See how I can use this spotlight option to highlight record like a pro and edit with AI ease. Thereafter we get whiteboard tool. This is really helpful if you want to draw attention towards any specific point other than what's on our screen. Once done, click on this to close whiteboard. Next we get option to undo or redo. Can also clear everything by clicking on clear drawing. After this we get option to pause recording. Can also delete and re-record. And next we can click on this to stop recording. Let's stop recording, and for that click this stop button. Now this will open up Wondershare Demo Creator video editor. So now let's know how to edit screen recording using Wondershare Demo Creator 8. And to get started with, simply drag and drop our screen recording to timeline. For first we can change screen recording settings from here right side panel. We can enable this cursor highlight option to highlight cursor. Can also select color for the same. You can choose any of these colors. We can also scale cursor size to increase or decrease it. Can also set opacity for the highlight cursor color. Can increase highlight area or decrease it from here. Next in video tab we can scale our screen recording. We also get option to set opacity. Can also change screen recording speed from here. Thereafter in audio we get option to increase volume levels of screen recording audio. Can set volume balance or add fade in or fade out effect. Next in animation we can select animation effect for screen recording. Here we get so many animation effects. We can use any of these if you want to. Now here we have some great additions with Demo Creator 8 Magic Tools video effects. Here we get option to enable AI portrait, AI beauty filter, can enable green screen from here, use Magic Tools audio filters like AI denoise, AI speech enhancer and AI voice changer. We can use any of these tools directly from here. Now what about editing or screen recording? Like removing unwanted parts. Well, for that, simply select screen recording from where we want to split and then click on this or this split button. After this, selected the part we want to remove and then right click to select ripple delete. This will delete that unwanted part of screen recording that we wanted to remove. Triple delete will automatically move our remaining part of video to start. Same way we can also remove any unwanted part of a screen recording video. Now once we are done, let's further edit our screen recording, and for that here we get many more options like templates. We can use these different templates to screen record with webcam and audio. Here we get different categories of templates like education, social media and gaming. We also get different backgrounds that we can use in our video. Next, in annotation we get text, shapes, line and arrows and lower thirds that we can add to our video. Here in lower thirds we get so many cool options that we can use in our video. Let's use this, and for that click on this to download. After that simply drag and drop it to timeline where we want to place it. Double click on this to change text, entering Demo Creator 8.0. Now we can also resize text and then move it. Can also resize this, selecting both to resize and then move it to place anywhere on screen. We can also rotate it. See, this looks really cool and further enhances our screen recording. Same way we can use as many as lower thirds, text and shapes to our video. Now here in video effects we get some of the coolest AI features that Demo Creator 8 brings to us, along with old features like green screen, AI portrait, blur background, mirror, border overlay, mosaic, cinema style, AI beauty filter, basic blur and AI object remover. So now let's know how to use Demo Creator object remover to remove objects from video, and for that simply drag and drop it to this part of screen. This opens up a window. Now from here we can select what we want to remove from our video. Let's select this try it for free and see pricing button. Now click apply. Let's play it. Wow, this is simply insane. It has successfully removed that part from video. Amazing work by Demo Creator. Not only these AI tools, we also get video filters that we can use in our video. See here we have so many cool filters that can enhance our video instantly. There are so many filters and all these new AI features are so cool. Do try them and share in comments which feature of Demo Creator 8 you like most. Next, in audio we get tools like AI denoise, AI voice changer, AI speech enhancer and AI vocal remover. We can use them as per our requirement. Want me to cover any of these in future videos? Let me know in comments. After this we get cursor effects like cursor highlight, cursor spotlight, cursor magnify, click rings and click sound. We can use any of these, and for that simply drag and drop it to our screen recording. Next we get pan and zoom option, so we can add pan and zoom effect to our video. This can be very helpful if you are looking to make a tutorial and want to zoom in and out to a part of screen. Simply drag and drop it to screen recording on timeline. Now double click on this to change pan and zoom settings. Can select start and end. After that click OK. Let's preview it and see how it highlights this part of screen. Thereafter we get transitions that we can add between our clips. Simply download one and then drag and drop it between clips. Next is the enhanced version of brand kits that we get with Demo Creator 8. We can add our own opener or intro for the video. Well, we also get many opener templates that we can use in our video. We can also add end credits and add our own brand template. Next we have stickers of different categories that we can use in our video, like this countdowns, emojis, gestures and more. Simply download it and then drag and drop it to timeline. Can also adjust its size and move it to place anywhere on a screen. Let's preview it. Amazing, is not it? Same way we can use any of these in our video. Now here at last we get option audio. This helps us to add background music or sound effects to our video. Here we get different types of music. Let's add this to our video, and for that simply drag and drop it to timeline. Now for first, from here we can adjust volume for background music. After this we can simply trim it to match with our video duration. First our screen recording is done. We have edited our screen recording as well. But features of Wondershare Demo Creator are not over. Here we also get effects pack that we can use to further enhance our video. Here we get so many different categories of effects like transitions, lower thirds, social media packs and more. There is so much more to talk about Wondershare Demo Creator Video Editor. Want me to make a dedicated video for Wondershare Demo Creator Video Editor? Then share your views in comments. Now once we are done with the screen recording and video editing, let's export our video. And for that, click export. This opens export window. We can give our project a name, like I am giving it Wondershare Demo Creator 8. Next we get option to select format. Here we get different options like MP4, AVI, WMV, MOV and more. Selected MP4. After this we can select aspect ratio. Next we can select location where we want to save exported video. Can also back up to cloud. Next we get option to select video quality. Selected high. We can make further changes by clicking on this settings icon. Now from here we can select encoder, change frame rate and bit rate. Can also change audio settings like encoder, channel, sample rate and bit rate. Once done, click OK. Well folks, we can not only save our screen recording on PC but can also directly upload it on YouTube, TikTok and Vimeo. For now, let's save it to PC and for that click export. It starts exporting. Once done, here we have confirmation. First, we can also upload our video to cloud and then share it via link. Let's check it out and for that click open folder. Now here we have our screen recording that we have edited using Demo Creator 8. Let's play it. Wow, is not that amazing? That was so easy to record a screen on Windows PC and edit it using Demo Creator 8. First, all these amazing features make Wondershare Demo Creator 8 the best screen recorder for Windows 10 or Windows 11 and Mac. I will highly recommend you all to upgrade to Wondershare Demo Creator 8 if you are already using any older version of Wondershare Demo Creator, or if you have not tried Wondershare Demo Creator yet, do try it out now. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pin comment to free download Wondershare Demo Creator 8. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Are you looking to record computer screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.